Hi guys, I'm Nicole Neely, and today we're going to show you how to switch out the switch on your Mag 77 Skilsaw. Okay, at the time this video is shot, the item number for the on-off switch is 2610321-608. If it changes, we will make sure to update it below, so you'll always have the updated version. The tools you'll need to replace your switch are a screwdriver, a 15, 20, 25, and 30 Torx bit. Alright, so we're going to start with our number 30 for our top and side screw here. Okay, and then once that one's out, you're going to go saw down, motor up. Go for the side here. Okay, so now we're going to move on to our handle screws, where we are going to use our number 25. Okay, so now you should be able to pull the handle off and have access to your switch. So now we're going to change out our Torx to the 20 for the little screw here on the switch. Okay, so once you have your new switch, you can lay it here and just line them up and screw them in. Alright, thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more how-to tips and tricks. And if you have any questions about the Skilsaw switch or our store M&M Tool, comment below.